Hey you guys, I am back with another DIY for Christmas. I'm going to be using these fabric bags. You get two of them for $1 at the dollar store. And yes, I love these little bags, and I'm going to continue with my little Christmas theme here. My mini iron is on. It is ready because it is green. Look at this gorgeous vinyl I picked for this project. I'm going to leave the link down below so you can go ahead and get it with a $5 discount. And all I'm doing is cutting them off. They are snowflakes. I thought this would be great for Christmas. The pattern is so adorable. You cannot go wrong with this pattern. Everybody loves it. It is great for the holidays. It is great for Christmas theme. Go ahead and make a couple of these little bags for the teachers, for your co-workers, for your mom, your family, your friends, the bestie. Everyone's getting one this year from me. Since I decided to do this little DIY, I love it. I can't get enough of these little bags. I picked them up at the dollar store. If you are lucky to get your hands on them, go ahead. I actually found them in the birthday section. Love the fact that the string is red, ready for Christmas. If it is not as smooth and flat as you like it, go ahead and use your iron and flatten it out. It's not going to burn. Don't be afraid. Place your vinyl decal on there. Make sure you get it exactly how you want it. Go ahead and measure. Use your fingers. I do. Use a ruler, whatever guides you through the whole process. Go ahead and use it. Now, one thing that I learned about making these bags, and I have to share with you all the time, the tips and tricks and everything, because you know that's how I am. Do not put the design on the top. Do not. You want the design at the bottom, because once you pull the strings together, it's not going to show the design. And if you put it at the bottom, when you guys pull the strings, it's going to show beautiful. Grab your transfer paper, go ahead and press this, count to 30, because that's exactly what I did. And this has 3 settings. The little iron, I do it on the 3rd setting because I want it nice and hot the first time. Once we're done there, we're going to just put it to the side and let that cool down. That is another great tip. Do not remove it until it is nice and cool to the touch. Touch it. If it's nice and cool, then you remove it. If not, don't remove it before that. It's going to mess up the whole project, and trust me, you do not want that. Now, I made no extras because I never ever make extras. So if I make a mistake, I just run with it. These are just DIY projects. Mistakes are going to be made, and that's just life. I don't stress about life anymore. I don't go crazy about it. I just do what I have to do and get it done. But look at how I'm doing it in a circular motion. Now, you don't have to, but that's just what I seen in a couple of the videos that people do it like that, like in a circular motion. I'm going to set that to the side. I'm going to open the rest of my bags, and yes, I am using my scissors. Use your scissors, you guys. Do not rip those bags and make holes in them. After you went so hard to go look for them and to purchase them, you do not want to add a hole on there. Do not rip tags. Grab your scissors and cut it. It is a great tip that'll save you so many headaches, so much anger, and you'll be like so mad at yourself for making a hole in the bag. Use your scissors. It takes no time. And then you have a perfect bag with no holes. Even on clothing, use your scissors. Do not rip the tags off. Once you have it exactly how you want it, after a while, you don't need a ruler. You'll just be like eyeballing it. Place your paper on there and just press it. Count to 30. That's exactly what I did, because that's what I did with the other bags, and they came out really nice. So I'll leave that video down below as well, the link, so you can go ahead and check it out. I'm so happy. It is Christmas, you guys. You know, I love me some Christmas. I love the holidays. I am so excited. But yeah, I thought these bags would be cute. I don't know what I'm going to fill them up with yet. I don't know who I'm going to give them to. I just know that I found these bags at the dollar store, and I knew exactly what I was going to do with them. I have a Cricut machine. I have an iron. I knew exactly what I wanted to do with them. So I brought them, and then look at how I'm touching it. You see how that is nice and cool to the touch? Once it is, just remove it. And there you go. Look how cool that is. That looks professionally made. Now, one little trick is I'm going to go do it again. You saw how fast that was? And that is like kind of like setting your bag. Now, I don't want you to do it more than that. You have to do it really quick or it's going to burn the bag. So look at how I'm going to do it. See how fast that was? And that's just gonna set the bag. Now that's a little trick that I learned by making all these bags, and it actually helps out really well to just set the vinyl on there, just so it like infuses into the bag and you don't have no peeling and no lifting, no nothing. Look how easy I cut I'm just gonna remove all that. And then I have my bags ready for another DIY. Now, I thought that was super easy, super great. But let me know if you guys are going to go ahead and make some. Let me know if you even find them. I found them at the section on the birthday. So go ahead and check that out. Maybe they'll have some on the Christmas section. Go ahead and go crazy with your ideas, your designs. Let me know what you're going to add to your bag. If it's going to be a name, an initial. I decided a little cute snowflake is great for Christmas. Who doesn't want a snowflake on their bags? And right there, you saw how I'm just pressing down that wrinkle. That's all I'm doing is pressing down a wrinkle. If your bag has a wrinkle, use your iron and iron it out. Make sure you lift any fuss or anything you see in these bags before pressing your vinyl decal. You don't want it to get trapped in there. Go ahead and count to 30. Make sure you set it. This little iron is perfect for these little projects. If you do have the big one, I know it works as well. It'll probably work even faster. And all I'm going to do is touch it. If it's nice and cool, I'm going to lift it. I'm going to set it one more time, super fast. And that's it. I'm going to do the same thing. And then you guys, I'm also going to make the video of what I'm going to fill it with. So keep an eye out for that. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel because that way you get the next video that's coming up. So you can see what I'm actually filling up these goodie bags. Make sure you are subscribed. Give me a thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any ideas. If you are going to make them, if what you're putting on your bags. I always comment back to you guys when I have a chance. If I don't, it's because I'm super busy. But I always get back to you guys and comment. But look at how cute these bags are. I made a ton of them. Now, since I was like, oh, I should just go ahead and make 2 more. I'm going to use my scissors to cut it. Lift that up. Remove anything that's in my way. And I'm going to make 2 more. I wasn't going to make them on video, but I decided, oh, why not? The bestie is always watching. Look at how cute, Chrissy. This one is just for you, Chrissy. I decided to make it in the glitter. And like I was saying, you could put your initials on there. I put her initials on her bag that I am sending her for Christmas. I'm going to go ahead and add my paper. I'm going to press it down a little harder because it is glitter. When you guys are pressing glitter, make sure you put a little muscle into that because it is glitter. It's a tougher vinyl and it needs that extra muscle just to set in place. Look at how cute that is. I'm going to let it dry and I'm going to go ahead and make 1 more. And this one is going to be for Lisa. I'm going to go ahead and make her initials on the bag. Look how cute, Lisa. This came out. I'm going to make sure I get it exactly how I want it. Like I said, you can put the teacher's initials on here if you're giving one to the teachers. Add their initials on their bag. I'm sure they're going to love it when you do. Add the initials on the bag. Add anything you want in here. If you're giving it to a co-worker, go ahead and add their initials. Your mom, your dad, your sister. Now, once it's nice and dry, I'm going to go ahead and lift it. Oh my God. This came out beautiful. Look at the shine on there. Look at the shine. I'm going to go ahead and set it. I'm going to go ahead and do the next one. I'm just touching it. Make sure it's nice and cool. I'm going to go ahead and set it. My God, I love these. I'm going to make some for the teachers as well. So let me know if you guys like it. Look at the sparkle on that. I have two cute bags that look like I brought them this way, even though I made them super affordable, $1 from the dollar store. I didn't pay for anything but the bags, and there you go. I hope you guys make your own. Let me know if you do. Let me know what you think. I'm so excited. Merry Christmas, you guys, and until next time. Bye, you guys.